I have faced an unique issue here, so let me show you what happened, okay? Actually, I made a form, and if the value already exists, it should return an error message, right? So actually, the lesson and level is already existed in my database. So when I tried to add it like this, it just gone. It just flashed and it's gone. There is no error message. Let me show you the backend code. This is the condition that is checking for the, if it's already existed, it should return it with the error. This block of code is actually responsible for that. And of course, it's returning a Boolean value. And if it's existed, we are actually returning it with the error message. But why it's not working? We can just double check like if it's actually returning a Boolean value or not by using dd function with this variable. Now if we try to do this, like if it's already existed, of course we are getting a true as a Boolean value. That means the return is only not working. It's actually happening because I'm actually using the database transaction, which is like beginning of the code I used a database transaction. Before it returns successful, I'm actually committing the changes, and if in case it failed, it will roll back. This transaction is very important because whatever the database changes is happening between these operation and logic, even if the one is failed, entire transaction will fail. The reason it's not working because I'm actually returning this error message in between those logic. So in order to successfully return this value, we need to roll back that database changes as well. So for that, we have to use this code. This function is responsible to revert the changes that is happened in the database. That means now it will work like a fail safe for the database transaction, which we used here. If in case anything goes wrong, we will roll back, right? The same thing I used in this block of code. Therefore, if the data is already existed in the database, it will cancel this transaction and return the error value. So now let's check the results. I'm going to choose all of it and type some stuff in the same way. I'm adding it right now. This time I'm getting the error. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.